Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a Happy Mail that is extraordinary. But look, this is how it came. And in fact, it was torn like all the way across there. How it didn't fall out, I do not know. Let me show you what I got. This is from Jeanne Stanton. I met her at the 2022 BlytheCon. She had a booth. She has the most fantastic outfits for Blythe of all sizes. Her husband was with her. He helped her with the booth. What a nice man. He and Darren got along great. And Jeanne and I have kept in touch. I had mailed her. She had, she makes things out of antique and vintage hankies. And those were something that young women, well, women of all ages, but especially young women carried. And it's just a little hanky that most of them tucked it up in their sleeves. But she sent me this little dress that she made and smocked out of one of those vintage hankies. Look at this. Her little snaps. Oh my God. I sew snaps on. I hate these itty bitty ones. God love you, Jeanne. And look at this. Bloomers. The dress, the bloomers, and look at this. Oh my goodness, little stockings. I was not expecting this. Jeanne, I had picked up a bunch of hankies for Jeanne, and she said, well, how about if I make you a dress? And I said, well, that'd be fantastic. But I got that Wednesday Addams doll that she had crocheted that I'm over the moon about. And I wasn't expecting anything else. So when this arrived, oh my goodness, talk about hug in a box. Let's put this on Gold Rose and see how it looks. Oh my. I didn't show the card, and I should have. Wishing you a wonderful day. Let me tell you, when I open this up, it's a wonderful month. May the new year be filled with all the things that make you smile. Thanks for the hankies. Hope you like the dress. Oh, Jeanne, are you kidding? My. Is that? Oh, that is so cute. You know who I'm going to put this on? My toddler, Blythe. Oh, I love this. Look at these bloomers. Oh my goodness. Jeanne, this is so cute. And guys, this will fit any type of Blythe doll. Look at the little stockings. Oh, I love this. Thank you so much. I put orange shoes on her to match the hand embroidery that Jeanne has done on this dress. I don't have her card, but Jeanne set up at the 2022 BlytheCon. I will get in touch with her and find out if she's selling from home or only at doll shows. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Jeanne, so much. I can't say thank you enough. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.